In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer XRP from eToro to eToro wallet. Now this is really easy, guys. You need to download the eToro wallet, which is called eToro Money. So you need to go on your app store on your phone. This is an app, and download eToro Money, which is basically the eToro wallet. Then what you need to do from here is you need to go to eToro, make sure you complete your profile. So mine is not fully completed, so I cannot do this. But once you've fully completed your profile and added your phone number, and you install the app and you log into your account from the app, then you're good to go. Then what you want to do from in here is you want to select portfolio, click on XRP, click on the position, and then simply press transfer to wallet. Now, like I said, I cannot do this, as you can see, because my profile is not completed and I don't have the app installed, logged into the app. But once you've done it, you will be able to do that. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.